Director Jongka Directorate of School Education and Literacy DSEL Uswapnel Tembe ulaong bakani ka Jingbym kam ka Thmu ban penbha ya ka puli puthi ha ka jela bakan thop ya ka Jingbym Donkam ki Khynnah banra ya ki Plakot na ka benta shiposngi jong usnem arpho arpusau kani kan thop lang ya ki jingele kai sports ba ka jing ai jingmut ha ka yo ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi ka bakan thop lang Nalor kani utembe ula batay halor ka program CM Impact kabadai commission bashipor balakmi lenti banyo ya ka jingmi hausnam banwan ula batay.
When I was in school, right, so we had these pre-boards, and after pre-boards they were remedial classes. So this is something which we have. So the idea is, one is that the guidebooks have been made specially because the students may face difficulty in gathering information and all. So it's a question bank plus it's a set of concepts, and it's meant for those who really need help in particular topics. Then the other is remedial classes.
Umentri rangba ka jela